You're going cross-eyed for the spoon. You're going cross-eyed for the spoon.
Miss Carter. Well, hi. I am so sorry, Bill. This is just humiliating.
I know some really nice bananas, and Mommy's not going fast enough. Oh my gosh! Oh. Mommy wasn't going fast enough. Not fast enough. Still not fast enough. Oh, meltdown! Oh, bananas. Oh man, those bananas are so good. Still not fast enough. Almost ready for another meltdown. Oh my gosh, there's some more bananas. Oh man. Oh, that's so good. Oh man, bananas are so good. Yes, they are.